He's going to tell you about this dance. Here we go.
This is kahiko. Most hulas we do are hula wana, which is modern hula. You know, this form of hula here is called kahiko. It's the ancient hula. So depending on the content, sometimes you smile, sometimes you don't. It's very serious. The movements aren't graceful and fluid. They're quick and definite. The main thing with kahiko is you have to dance very low. And it's always chanted, and you have to listen to the ipu because the beat's right on the dance is right on the ipu beat, so you have to really listen to stay together. The main key is to dance as low as you possibly can, and your eyes almost always follow your hands. Okay. This was called Ula No Weo, which means the bright red sun. Ula No Weo.
Okay, so we start from our right foot forward.
Ula No Weo.
This is a non-smiley one. You're going to open your right hand, your left's going to come near your chest, your eyes are going to follow your right hand, and remember your space here. Don't open it all the way so you're all arched forward. So we're going to go from here, and we're going to say, I, Ula No Weo, la e kalaila, kapula ilimala. Drop. Okay. Wait.
I, Ula No Weo.
I, Ula No Weo, la e kalaila, kapula ilimala. And then these are, wait, these are hellas. They don't even know this. These are hellas, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, it's in front. Don't take it on the side of you. Then it's going to be flat. You're going to turn your hands over like you're pulling a piece of elastic, flat. Then you're going to come to the right side. The left hand is in the middle of your body. You're going to pick your flower. There. The first part's hellas, and then we'll go from there.
I, Ula No Weo.
I, Ula No Weo, la e kalaila, kapula ilimala.